Hi, in today's video, I will share with you all the pin codes for VAG group modules. They are necessary for making changes in the modules, adaptations, programming, etc. Let's get started. Module 1, Engine Pin 12233. We're starting strong with Module 1, the engine. Code 12233 is an absolute classic for older TDI engines running EDC 15 or 16. It's your master key for tweaking injection quantities, adapting the EGR valve, and adjusting idle speeds. Pin 27971. If you're running a modern common rail diesel, you need 27971. This is mandatory for forcing OPF or DPF regenerations. You'll also use it to reset exhaust pressure sensors after a replacement. Pin 10016. Next is 10016. This provides deep service access for the newer generation common rail VE and VB engines. It unlocks factory-level diagnostic procedures that are normally hidden. Pin 11463 and 16167. Want to retrofit cruise control on an older ECU, like the legendary 1.9 TDI? Code 11463 activates the GRA cruise control system. And if you ever need to disable it, just punch in 16167. Pin 20973. For the petrol guys with newer TSI and TFSI engines, 20973 is your go-to. It lets you regenerate the GPF or DPF filters and reset crucial engine adaptations. Pin 11546 and 12238. Still on petrols, 11546 grants access to special adaptations in the 1.8T and 2.0 TFSI blocks. Meanwhile, 12238 serves as an alternative adaptation code for older MPI and FSI engine generations. Module 2, Gearbox, DSG, pin 79153. Moving to the transmission, Module 2. If you're working on DSG DQ200 or DQ250 gearboxes, 79153 is essential. It unlocks basic settings and allows you to run full clutch adaptations. Pin 20103. For the newer heavy-duty DSG boxes like the DQ381 and DQ500, you'll use 20103. This resets the mechatronics and clutch settings. You're going to see this specific pin a lot today. Pin 40168 and 20103. The ABS module is heavily protected. 40168 enables basic settings and lets you calibrate the G85 steering angle sensor. If you just need to do basic settings for the TPMS tire pressure system, use 20103. Pin 14108, 93574, and 24435. For the hardcore coders, 14108 and 93574 grant access to developer functions 101 respectively. Pair that with 24435, which opens up the manufacturer counter and advanced pump coding procedures. Pin 75202 and 10505. Got a stubborn TPMS warning? Code 75202 resets the RKA tire pressure alerts. And if you're retrofitting driving assistance in newer ESP pumps, 10505 allows you to code those in. Pin 10815, 15081, and 18573. Code 10815 provides a master service login for brake diagnostics. For MQB platforms, 15081 is an alternative access code for brake electronics, while 18573 specifically authorizes emergency braking assist systems. Pin 31857 and 37202. Want to activate hill hold control? Code 31857 opens up the brake comfort functions. If you're on the newer MQB Evo platform, use 37202 for all brake electronics calibrations. Pin 40304 and 25004. Code 40304 acts as an extra authorization layer for ABS basic settings. If you need to calibrate or bleed the brake booster, 25004 is the pin you're looking for. Pin 44595 and 28183444595 is super interesting. It lets you adapt the automatic brake disc drying function used in rainy weather. Meanwhile, 28183 lets you configure braking profiles and dampen steering vibrations. Pin 37059 and 11966. Working on an older Audi A4 or A6? 37059 unlocks adaptations in legacy Bosch ESP pumps. And to unlock the version 1 ABS pump bleeding procedure, use 11966. Module 9, Central Electrics, VCM, pin 31347. This is arguably the most important code for MQB cars, 31347. This is your master key for the Central Electrics module. It unlocks Leucht lighting adaptations, allowing you to code cornering lights, DRLs, and LED upgrades. Pin 20103, 20113, 42013, and 71679. You can also use 20103 as an alternative for light and power modes. To code high beam assist, enter 20113. For newer BCMs, 42013 modifies specific comfort parameters, while 71679 logs you into advanced comfort functions. The golden key pin, 20103 pin, 20103 multi-module. By now you've noticed code 20103 keeps popping up. This is the VAG golden key. It's the standard login for over a dozen different modules. Let's fire through what it unlocks. Modules 05, 08, 10, and 13. In Module 05, KESI, 20103 authorizes keyless start and steering locks. In 08 HVAC, it resets your AC compressor and flap settings. In Module 10, you can change parking sensor ranges and visuals. And in 13 Radar, it allows ACC distance calibration. Modules 14, 15, 17, 18, and 19. It calibrates air suspension in Module 14. In 15, Airbags, it allows resets after wire repairs. In Module 17, Instruments, it unlocks needle sweep and dial lighting. It unlocks locked Webasto heaters in 18, and in 19, CAN Gateway, it removes transport mode and codes new batteries. Modules 22, 36, 42, 5F, and more. It doesn't stop there. 20103 adapts the Haldex clutch in 22, calibrates seat memory in 36, codes folding mirrors in 42, activates the green menu in 5F multimedia, and calibrates both the HUD and lane assist cameras. If a module asks for a code, try 20103 first. Radar 13 and Instruments 17. Beyond the golden key, Module 13, Radar uses 14117 to unlock Bosch and Continental units, and 91153 for advanced front radar coding. In Module 17, newer virtual cockpits use 25327 for adaptation channels, while older models use 13861 for fuel tank configurations. Steering Assist 44. Power steering is complex. 19,249 calibrates the 0-point and torque sensors. 28,183 changes steering characteristics, like activating Cupra mode, and resets crash data. 44,595 tweaks crosswind compensation, while 64,839 handles basic settings for Gen 3 columns. Headlights, 55, and front cam, a 5. For headlights, 15,284 levels older xenon setups, perfect if you're working on something like a Passat B6. For the A5 front camera, 22351 is the alternative calibration code for newer MQB Bosch cameras. Before you go, you need to know about security timeouts and SFD. If you enter the wrong pin too many times, the module locks you out. To fix this, you must leave the ignition completely on for 30 to 60 minutes without touching anything. Also, on VAG cars from 2020 onwards, many of these codes are blocked by SFD, Vehicle Diagnostic Protection. You'll need an online token from the factory to bypass it. Always hook up a stable battery maintainer when doing these deep coding sessions. That is the ultimate VAG master list. Save this video, screenshot the codes, and never get locked out of your own car's modules again. Drop a like if this saved you a headache, and subscribe for more deep dive automotive diagnostics. See you in the next one.